Most founders aren't bad at delegating. They were never taught how. And if you've tried before and it didn't go well, that makes sense. Nobody teaches you how to build support around you. Here's what usually happens. You hand off a task. It's not done the way you would have done it. You get frustrated. You take it back. Sound familiar? But delegation isn't about finding someone who reads your mind. It's about building clarity. Define the outcome. Document how you think. Give feedback early. Great virtual assistants aren't just found, they're developed. And when you build the right structure around someone, they become an incredible asset. So here's the real question. What would change in your business if delegation actually worked the way it's supposed to?